SignalView window Part 2. The following items SignalView right-clicks menu. Signal properties. This item is used for setting the display and color of signals in SignalView. When you click on it, Signal Properties page opens. Also, you can open this window by double-clicking SignalView. The display and color of analog signals can be set by Analog Signals tab. You can select a signal from Signal Frame. Here, VL3E is selected as an example. The selected signal can be observed in the field Name. The selected signal cannot be changed. In Line Style, the user can select a style for signal curves display. Solid is the default style. However, the user can change that in the existing drop-down menu. The line thickness is set by line width that has a maximum value of 15 point. By clicking Color, you can select a color for signal line. Marker type is used for inserting a special geometric shape along the signal path. The geometric shape can be selected out of the shapes in the list. Here, square is selected for VL3E. Before leaving this page, any change in the signal can be observed in Preview field. In the field, the space between markers, the space between the selected markers on the signal line can be set based on pixel. For example, 10 pixel is selected on the space. On Preview field, you can see some circles created on the signal curve. The space between these circles is 10 pixel. The display style and color of binary signals are set in the Binary Signals tab. The signal is selected from the Signal menu and the name is observed in the Name field. Here, Binary Out1 is selected. The signal color is selected from Menu Color. Here, orange is selected as the signal color. The change in the signal can be observed in Preview. By clicking OK, the settings are applied on the signal. Remember, in order to retrieve the default setting of signal display, you can click Reset to Default in Signal Properties window. You can open selected signal by clicking on it. In this window, the user can select two signals from the fields horizontal axis and vertical axis and display them in terms of one another. For example, here the two signals VL1E and VL2E are selected and displayed in terms of one another after clicking on Zoom All. In the left toolbar, there are some tools for making changes in the curve. These tools are respectively used for displaying and hiding the toolbar, selecting the pointer icon, undo and redo, zooming the curve, zoom all, zoom in, zoom out, and selection of pan mode for moving the curve. Note that the user can press the mouse scroll and move signal view curves on the diagram. The window Go to Time Signal View can be opened by Ctrl-G keys. If the user wants to observe the signal at a specific time, the considered time should be specified in the field Specific Time. Also, in order to determine the signal between 2 points, the user should specify the times in the fields From and To in Range section. For example, 0.5 second is inserted in From and 0.8 second is inserted in To. You will see that the signals of voltage group A are displayed in the specified range. If the user has inserted several curves in the signal view window, these curves can be observed by using keys up and down. For instance, some curves are activated and can be seen by using the up and down keys.